Hello everyone. I received some swap mail. This is from Polly's Pretties, and we were in a swap to do 20, I think it is, die cuts. Yeah, create and swap 20 die cuts. So, I'm sending mine out to Polly today, which is Saturday, and I received hers yesterday, which was right on time. Mine is a little late. So thank you, Polly, for this. Ooh, what is this? Ah, a little note card. Isn't that cute? Has a little bee and some, like a piece of ephemera, like a chipboard ephemera, and pretty paper. Okay, just encloses 20 die cut swap. Awesome. Thank you, Polly. And here we have them. 50 cents. I do that too. I reuse my plastic bags and things. So let's see what we have. If I can get it open. Oh my goodness, this is really, you know, it's been so warm here lately. I won't say, well, it's been in the mid to high 80s in Fahrenheit. So, ooh, that looks interesting. Come on. Ooh, a daisy, like that. Circle, which could go with the daisy. Some stars, always useful. Oh, Bambi. I love Bambi. I don't have that. That's cute. Another daisy, a little bit smaller one. That goes with that. A moose. Oh, look how it's done out of watermelon paper. That's a good idea to do. I have a couple mooses, a plain one and this one with like mermaid scale. Ooh, this is a corrugated star. That's pretty cool. I like the pattern on it too. That's interesting. I've never seen that. Corrugated paper like that. More Bambis. Oh yay, I'm so happy about Bambis. And I could use either side, you know. And you could even like paint over it if you don't like the paper. Excuse me. So yeah, you could paint over, like use some gesso or dauber paint. These look like Mickey Mouse ears, see? But it's on a paper, and that's cool. It looks like an eyeball almost. But if I turn it that way, I could put anything on it. A strawberry, awesome. Either side again. A couple strawberries. Another circle, always useful. An apple, you know, I think I just got rid of my apple punch not long ago, so that will come in handy because I don't have it anymore. A mason jar, a small one. I like that one. And they canned bananas. A shiny cloud in a mason jar, that's pretty. I like that one. Some more apples, and more Mickey Mouse ears, yay. And some hearts, scalloped hearts, small ones. I like those. I like that tie-dye color look to that too. We have a lot of different apples here. They'll come in nice for fall coming up soon. Another strawberry, and some scallop circles. Awesome. I really like the Bambis, the mooses, and the Mickey Mouse ears, but I know I will use the apples, the stars, the daisies, the hearts, all this, because I use that kind of thing a lot in my embellishments and things. So maybe I'll be making some embellishments with these for future embellishments on the 11th episode. I don't know. So thank you, thank you, thank you. I love it all, and I'll make use of everything for sure. Where in the world did you get a Bambi die cut? That's so cute. I love Bambi. It's such a sad movie, but it's such a adorable creature. Bambi and Thumper, right? And then the strawberries. I like strawberries too. I do have a strawberry punch, but it's different. It doesn't have the stuff on it like that. The stem, the leaves, it has leaves instead, which are separate. And these are awesome. Mickey Mouse ears. Very cute. Thank you so much. Very happy to have swapped with you. And yours will be in the mail today. So it won't be trackable, but I'll copy you on the copy of the envelope so you know it's going out. Okay? Thank you, Polly, and be sure to go check out Polly's Pretties. She has a YouTube channel, but these swaps are done through her Facebook Facebook page or Facebook group. Now I'm not sure. Anyway, just look up Polly's Pretties on Facebook and you'll find her. Okay? Thanks everyone for watching. Bye for now.